Hi everyone, I'm Taylor from Scott and Tay and welcome to our YouTube channel. As you can imagine, because I'm sitting on this old outdated sofa, there's a renovation ahead. Scott and I decided that it was time for a new adventure, so we purchased a Class C 2007 RV and of course we want to renovate it. Not only are we going to be remodeling our RV, we're going to be finishing Scott's house at the same time so we can get that on the market as well. Looks like we have a packed couple weeks ahead of us. Wish us luck, and I hope you enjoy the renovation. We're just about to start our first steps in the renovating of our new RV. We're going to start taking off all the hinges and doors so we can start painting them to make this place our beautiful new home. All right, let's do it. Due to the doors being made out of real wood, we had to take a couple extra steps to get them prepared for primer and paint. First, we used a stripper to get all of the outer coating off of the wood that had been placed on there to protect it. Then we used some steel wool to make sure that all of the stripper was removed. If it stays on there too long, it gets a little gunky and it's not a very good look. Then we used an automatic sander to make sure everything was nice and rough, so that way the primer would stick to it. The last thing we added to the doors before they were ready to be primed was some liquid sandpaper. It gave it just a little extra layer of roughness that we were hoping would really help adhere the primer and paint to the doors. We're not completely sure if it was effective or not, but it at least made us feel like we were taking all the steps possible for a great outcome. Initially, we had decided that we were going to leave the old linoleum floors because, well, we were on a time crunch and it's pretty hard to pull up those floors. But once we started painting all the cabinets and doors, it was starting to look so beautiful and clean in here. Therefore, those yucky floors had to go. We read a couple blogs and decided to go with the vinyl wood plank flooring. Peel and stick. So everybody says it's really good. We're gonna give it a go. We're in Phoenix and it's 115 degrees. So we're gonna test out this adhesive and see if it's as good as people say. Let's do this. Remember how I mentioned there was a time crunch? Well, we created that crunch because it was more important to us to hit the road than have a perfect RV for Instagram. Therefore, one of our rooms didn't exactly make the cut in the timing, and it didn't get complete. But it's the bathroom, so who really sees that other than us anyway? As long as it was functional and ready for travel, it was perfect for us. We did add a couple more baskets, so that way we had a little more storage than what was previously in there. And at some point, we would like to redo it, and we'll be sure to post pictures of that then, but as of now, this is what it's going to look like, and that's okay with us. Of course, that's the spot he wants to sit in. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed our renovation video. Next stop is going to be California, so whether you're family, friends, fellow adventurers, or future travelers, we hope that you follow us along the way. Thanks for watching.